Sliced juicy navel oranges sprinkled with black olives, garlic, and parsley, drizzled with olive oil and white balsamic vinegar. Here's how friends describe it: delectable, mouth-watering, luscious. And this refreshing simple orange and black olive salad goes with everything. Ready, easy to make, only 10 minutes of active time. It is healthy and loaded with vitamins. It is appetizing and visually appealing. Better still, this entire recipe begins with 4 of these beauties, navel oranges. 2 options on how to get them ready for the recipe. You can peel the oranges and then cut them into 1/4 inch slices. If your oranges have seeds, just pluck them away from those slices. That's option number 1. Second option on how you can prepare these navel oranges: sharp knife, cut away the top and bottom of the orange. Then we're gonna cut the peel away. We're curving the knife as it separates the peel and pith from the flesh. Just go slowly, turning your orange as you cut away the peel. This is very fancy, a lovely way of preparing the oranges. 2 options, so peeling versus cutting. Peeling leaves quite a bit of pith on the orange, whereas cutting leaves the juicy flesh only. We vote for cutting, but by all means, if you're pressed for time, just peel your oranges, slice them, and proceed with the recipe. Next step in the recipe, we need to arrange those slices in an attractive fashion. Use a plate with a bit of a lip or well, because these oranges are juicy. Arrange them, tucking them into little clusters. You can graduate them by size. You can get creative. Look how gorgeous this is. Next step, we need to season the salad. Finely chop 2 cloves of garlic, then sprinkle the garlic over the orange slices. Drizzle with about 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil plus 1 tablespoon of white balsamic vinegar. You don't have white balsamic vinegar in your pantry? Don't worry about it. Just use apple cider or white vinegar instead. Next, we're gonna sprinkle the plate with half a teaspoon of granulated sugar plus half a teaspoon of kosher salt, and now a sprinkle of black pepper. Very important step, the salad needs to chill. So we cover it, we're gonna transfer it to the fridge and let it rest for at least 3 hours. While it chills, time to prep the final 2 ingredients. About half a cup of pitted black olives, and we're gonna quarter them. We're also taking a bunch of parsley. You can use curly or flat leaf. You're gonna need about 1 to 2 tablespoons worth of the finely chopped parsley. Once sufficient time has passed, finishing touches, we're gonna sprinkle the chilled salad with the quartered black olives, and we're gonna hit the top with the chopped parsley. My suggestion on how to enjoy any of our grilled recipes, or this whole grilled trout, or how about our baked salmon, serve a little tossed salad on the side. Trust me friends, this orange salad with black olives is mighty delicious. You'll find out when you make it. The full recipe is up at weekendatthecottage.com. Please subscribe to our website when you're visiting. Look for this video on our dedicated YouTube channel. Yes, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel as well. And then finally, take a picture of this gorgeous salad when you make it, and then post it on your favorite socials using hashtag weekendatthecottage when you do. Whew. On Pinterest, the Gram, and Facebook. Mouth-watering, luscious, yet simple, orange and black olive salad. Orange, you glad I just showed you how to make it? Bada boom. Enjoy. Oh, the garlic, the orange, the olive. Oh, amazing, amazing, amazing. Make it.